Hello students, so today we are going to solve questions from exercise 4.6 of chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. So first question we have, from the figure identify. Here is a figure given, that is a circle and a part of circles. Now we need to identify these parts. The center of a circle. So center is this point which is given in textbook as named O. So center of the circle is O. O is the center of circle. Okay. B part is 3 radii. Radii means radius. Okay. First radius is this OC. Second is OA. And third one is OB. So 3 radii are OA, OB and OC. So these 3 are radius. Okay. Third is a diameter. So diameter is AC. Okay. So AC is the diameter. So AC is a diameter. Okay. Now D, a chord. Which one is the chord? Chord is ED. Okay. Chord is a line segment that joins any 2 points in the circle. Okay. So ED is a chord. ED. Okay. Now 2 points in the interior. So interior में हमें कोई 2 points बताने हैं. So first point is O and second point is P. So point O and point P. Okay. Now F part is a point in the exterior. So it is clearly point Q. Point Q. Okay. Now G1 is a sector. So sector is a region in the interior of circle enclosed by an arc on one side and pair of radii on other 2 sides. Okay. So this is sector. According to the definition, this is enclosed by arc on one side and radii on the other 2 sides. That means this is our sector. So sector is AOB. AOB. Okay. Or we can say that shaded part. Okay. Now a segment. So segment is area that is enclosed by a chord and arc of the circle. So that means shaded part of ED and arc. So ED और arc से जो भी area shaded हो रहा है हमारे पास वो हमारा segment है. Now question 2 is every diameter of a circle also a chord? So we know as from the introduction that every diameter is a chord. Okay, because it fulfills the definition of chord, that a chord is a line segment that joins any 2 parts of the circles. Okay, so that means this diameter is also joining the 2 parts of circle. That means this is a chord. So this is yes, every diameter is a chord. Okay. Now B part is every chord of a circle also a diameter? So when we see a chord, here is we have a chord ED. Okay. The definition of diameter says that it goes through the center and joins the 2 point in the circle. Okay. But ED don't goes through the center. That means it is not a diameter. Okay. So no, not every chord of circle is also a diameter. Okay. Now question number 3 we have draw any circle and mark. So हमें एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है और ये सारे पॉइंट्स हमें उसमें मार्क करने हैं. So let's draw a circle. So you need a compass and a pencil to draw a circle. So students, this is our circle and this is the center of it. Okay, that means where we put our point, that is our center. So name it O. Okay, now we need to mark these parts in this center. So first one is its center. So center we have marked here as O. Second is a radius. So let's draw a radius. From here we can draw a line up to the circle. Now this is our radius. So this is B part. Third one is a diameter. So a diameter is a line segment that goes through the center, okay, and joins two parts of circle. So this is our diameter. D is a sector. So sector, as I said, is this part, okay, enclosed with one side with arc and other two side with radii. Okay, so this shaded part is our sector. Okay, now a segment. So segment is area between a chord and arc. So this is our center. Let's shade it. So this is a segment. Okay, now a point in its interior. So a point is O, and also we can draw a point P. Okay, so in its interior we have a point P. Okay, a point in its exterior. So exterior में कौन सा point होगा? Let's draw here Q. Okay, and last one is an arc. So an arc we can name any arc, this or this. Okay, so name it A B. Okay, so AB is our arc. So AB is an arc. Okay, so this is question number 3. What we have given to mark on a circle, we have just drawn it into the circle. Okay, now let's come to the question number 4. So we need to put true or false. So first part is saying that two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. So if any circle there is two diameter, obviously they will go through the center. Okay, that means they will intersect always. So this is true. Okay, B part is the center of a circle is always in its interior. Center of circle. So कोई भी circle का center है like this O, it will always be in its interior. Yes, it will always be in its interior. Okay, that means this is also true. So students, this was exercise 4.6. Now you have to note down all the questions from this exercise into your notebook and practice all the question and all the exercise so that you have the better understanding of this chapter. So I will see you with the new chapter. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.